It's a simple no-code chatbot builder that allows you to build chatbots for your website or web application in under 5 minutes without coding. So as soon as you log into the application, you'd be taken to the dashboard, which gives you a overview of the statistics of all your bots. So to build a chatbot, what you need to do is go over here to the chatbot builder option, and you'll be taken to all your current bots, and also you have like hundreds of free templates where you can build on top of. You can see a few templates here, but if you want to explore more categories available, then you click on view all templates, and then you can filter the bots based on the categories. Say lead generation or booking or scheduling, HR recruiting. So for now, let's go on a random one. Let's go with the loan application. So if you want to clone a bot, all you need to do is click on the copy bot icon, and you'd be prompted with the modal asking whether you want to do it, and you click on yes. And once you do that, you would have the bot appear on the list of your available bots. So to start working on the flow, click on open builder. And once you do that, there's the flow builder where you'd be able to build the bot without coding. So a quick overview on the menus available. So on the left side, you have the different kind of nodes available for building your flow. And if you click on a node, you have the option to edit it on the right panel. And on the top, you have the option of zooming in, zooming out, saving the current flow, previewing your current flow at any given time, and then the next step. So a quick brief on the kind of nodes we have. Any node that begins with the word bot infers that it's a thing that the bot would tell the end user who's engaging with it. So let's say you just want to send a message. You just pull the bot message node, and then type the message you want to send. And you can see that we have a similar one right here. And then a quick example of two choices node is, let's say you have a question, and then you'd want the user to choose between the two, and you'd want to deviate the flow based on the option they choose. Then let's take a look. I think there's one here. If you take a look, there's a choice option here, and if they click on yes, it would take this direction, and if they click on no, it would take this direction. So if at any point in your flow, if in your conversation, if you'd want to provide different flow for different options they choose, and the choice prompt, two choices node, or the three choices node would be the way to do it. And then you have the bot image, which would allow the bot would simply respond with an image. And the select option is very similar to the choice prompt, except that there is no deviation. You just irrespective of what they choose, you just want to follow the same. You will have like a ton of options. Let's say what your yearly salary is, for example. Here it's like less than whatever the user likes. It doesn't matter because you're just trying to collect the information. And once you do that, let's say at any given point you're satisfied with the flow and you want to preview it, you click on the preview button. Let's just go through it quickly. Shall we start? Yes, please. First, how should I call you? Let's say human. I mean, you can enter anything random in the preview because it's not being recorded. And then Sally, let's say, click with this. Email, let's just enter random thing because here there is no email validation, but on the actual part there will be email validation, phone number. Application is completed. If you want extra questions, no, let me just, no worries. Okay, great. So I'm satisfied with the flow. The next step would be to customize the bot. Let's say our websites has different colors. So let's say you want to change the bot avatar, you can quickly click on that and then select the avatar you want, and you can see that it changed. And then you can also customize the header color based on what your website looks like and what matches the style of your website. And then in this there are more options like changing the background of the bot, using an image, and then customizing colors of the individual bubbles for the user and as well as for the bot. And then you click on save, and then under the advanced option you have the hide header logo option, which would simply disable that. Or if you want the bot to auto open as soon as a visitor lands on your web page or web app, then you enable this and it will automatically pop open. Remove branding is a paid feature which is unavailable right now. If you upgrade your plan, you'll be able to use it. The widget toggle sound is something that whenever a user clicks on the widget icon of the chat, it would play a simple sound. And the final step would be to select the platform or framework that your website or web app is built on. So we support all the major web frameworks or the platforms available. Let's say you want to do it on a HTML website, and the pop-up and full page are currently unavailable, but you can select the live chat and you can see that the code snippet showed up. All you need to do is you just need to copy this code snippet, and you can see that you need to paste this on in the body section of all the pages you want the chatbot to show up. This for the HTML bot, it would depend on, if you choose React.js, it would show, let me quickly go there. It says that body section of the publics.index.html. So it varies depending on the platform of framework you choose. If you're a non-technical person and you have somebody who built your website, you can quickly email them the instructions on how to embed Conferbot onto your website, and you quickly click on send, and that's it. That's pretty much how you embed a chatbot onto your website.